Business and management at USW is a great opportunity to get a broad range of business skills and to just get an introduction to the world of business. So often students don't really know what they want to study. If you're just coming out of school, you might know you want to work in business, but not know exactly what you want to study. So business and management gives a really broad overview of the world of business. The course is dual accredited by CMI, so the Chartered Management Institute. Everyone who passes the course will automatically get a level 5 diploma in leadership and management. So that means that's just an extra accreditation, something extra they can put on their CV that will give them an advantage when they go to applying for jobs. In our first year, we have students study a range of different subjects in different areas, so a bit of marketing, logistics, human resources. And in the second year, all the students are offered an opportunity to do a placement with an employer. And many of the students actually get offered jobs at the end of that. We have students who go on to do like general management roles, but we've had students go on to be marketing managers. We've had students go on to be data analysts. And there's actually quite a broad range of roles you can take a business and management degree into.